have solar panels on the roof and the carport out here, and it generates electricity, and then part of that electricity we consume during the day, and part of the electricity we use to charge an array of batteries. Then we can use that battery backup like at night or on cloudy days to keep running when the city powers down. And any excess we actually send back to the city, which the city then buys from us. They don't actually send us money, but they give us a credit, and at the end of the year we'll settle up with them. It was quite expensive, but hopefully over a period of about 7 years it'll pay for itself. You know, we got some tax credits from the federal government. The city chipped in with a cash payment, which helped, and all of it, you know, adds up. The other things we did to reduce our consumption was we replaced all the lights with LEDs. Quite a bit of reduction in power of LEDs over fluorescents. It's the right thing to do as far as to try to reduce our dependence on fossil fuel and our pollution in the atmosphere. Things are changing a lot. Several years ago I was in Alaska. A lot of the glaciers up there have retreated significantly from what they were just a few years ago. And as that happens, as you uncover more dark spaces of water from the white ice, you know, that process is going to accelerate. It's significant, and people who deny that are just sticking their head in the sand, and you know, it's very real. And it's something we all need to pay attention to as much as we can. It's clear that the quality of life of human beings, and as a group, and of individual human beings, is dependent on the environment.